Okay guys, welcome to the 11th video. This time we're looking at the concept of superpositioning. So let me grab my marker here. We're looking at the concept of superpositioning, commonly known as constructive and destructive interference. So here we have two waves that are heading towards each other, A and B, which I've highlighted in red and blue. And as they meet, they do superposition over themselves. So if they were exactly identical but opposite of each other, they would perfectly cancel out. And it would seem as if for a moment it was one straight line. So that's situation number one. This would be destructive interference is what we're observing here. So anything that brings the object back closer towards equilibrium is considered destructive. Now, anything that amplifies or increases the amplitude of the object is constructive interference. So here, this time, we have two waves that are both on the same side, and as they head towards each other, they superimpose on top of each other, and that's how we get constructive interference. So, quick little review question here. Sketch the resulting interference pattern when the two waves meet. So here we have a bigger wave coming in to the right and a slightly smaller wave. So I'm just going to use two different colors here. So when they actually meet, we might have something like that. So I usually like to draw the both of them one on top of the other first, and then it sort of cancels out the one on top. And so the result might be something similar to that. You don't need to be too accurate with your diagrams, but a good approximation with a few key features, like for instance, the examiner may look for the fact that the middle part is the higher part and that it slopes downwards. Okay, that is sort of what the examiner is looking for. Okay, with this other one, again, we have two waves heading towards each other. Here, this time, we have very clear units. So I'm going to use two different colors, and I'm just going to draw that together. Okay, so in this particular case, it's destructive interference. So this whole section over here will cancel out completely. So that will appear as if it were a flat line. So that half is flat. The other half, there are two units going up this way, and there's only one unit going down, which means there is going to be one unit going up over there with the other part canceling each other like that. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.